والهجرة الانتقال من بلد الشرك إلى بلد الإسلام. والهجرة فريضة على هذه الأمة من بلد الشرك إلى بلد الإسلام، وهي باقية إلى أن تقوم الساعة. والدليل قوله تعالى: إن الذين توفاهم الملائكة ظالمي أنفسهم قالوا فيم كنتم قالوا كنا مستضعفين في الأرض قالوا ألم تكن أرض الله واسعة فتهاجروا فيها فأولئك مأواهم جهنم وساءت مصيرا. إلا المستضعفين من الرجال والنساء والولدان لا يستطيعون حيلة ولا يهتدون سبيلا، فأولئك عسى الله أن يعفو عنهم وكان الله عفوا غفورا.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another video. We're on our way to the food truck park across from Quranic Park. It's called The Last Exit. And I actually have been following these guys for a long time. Even when I was still in the States, I was on everything UAE. Trying to find out what they had here from recreation and community gatherings and activities and fun for families and children. So also I was looking into the food truck business, and that's how I actually came across this particular food truck park. They have several of them actually across the city, and there are even some in Ajman, as well as Sharjah. I think the one in Sharjah is at Al Jadaf. Yeah, it's Al Jadaf. I did a little short clip on that one on my Instagram page. But the food truck culture has taken hold in the UAE. So that's what you're into. If you're looking to enter the UAE food market, you can start out with a truck. And, do your thing instead of having an actual storefront, paying astronomical prices, especially in Dubai anyway, for rent. You can get you a truck. There are companies here who actually make the trucks for you or design them the way that you like. And, you could do your thing. I know there's a lot of talent. I know many sisters who they make excellent pies, all different assortments of pies that they just don't have here. Excellent bakers. They make cookies, different types of cakes. The sky's the limit. Whatever your food and cuisine is, you find out, do some research if it's here or not, and you can go for yours. I will highly encourage that. Bring your food, bring your cuisine to the UAE. The people here, they love to experience new things. So I forgot to mention that we're riding through where Quranic Park is located is actually in an area called Khawanij. It is another suburb of the UAE, predominantly Emirati area, but there are other nationalities that live in Khawanij. It's a more expensive area, lots of villas, but I think it's Khawanij 1 and Khawanij 2, and there are apartment buildings, but I believe it's in Khawanij 1. Quranic Park is in Khawanij 2, and it's surrounded by houses that are spread apart. And this Last Exit food truck Park is directly across from Quranic Park and right in the middle of Khawanis too. Very, very nice place. Plenty of food choices, and I'm really enjoying the view looking at these homes. They're so beautiful. There are also some that are not finished and complete yet. So you can tell that you have people who come specifically to this area to build their homes. Like they design it the way that they want. It's not like a contractor who, they will create the same model of homes, and you just know by the looks of them that they were made uniform, and then they made them for people to purchase. But no, these homes that I've seen driving through here have been customized according to the person who is getting the home built. So it's pretty nice, pretty cool to see. Lots of land. The UAE has lots and lots of land to build upon. So if you're someone who has some wealth, and you want a conservative area, quiet, you want to build a villa or even buy one that's ready made, then you can consider Khawanij. Also, if you are renting and you would like an apartment, not necessarily ready to move into a house, then you can try Khawanij 1. Like I said, they have apartment buildings. Very nice. So, yeah. So I'm looking forward to seeing what the this park has for us to eat. It's myself and my girls, 3 girls, and my mother. So I'm sure there's something for everyone. We want to check it out and see what's happening. Oh, another thing? I didn't realize that there was a mall here. When I actually came to Quranic Park last year with a friend, and I rode through this park just to go to the ATM. We didn't stop to get any food. But I didn't know that there was actually a mall in the back of the truck park, and there is a seating area for families, and there's actually a lake, and there's activities, and I had no clue. I didn't even see that before. Wow. It's a very, very nice place for families to come and just enjoy the atmosphere, and there's plenty of activities for the children to do, and a shopping mall. And very interesting. Very, very interesting. It's amazing what you don't catch when you're, in a rush to go to another location, because that's what happened to me last year. I just came through, went to the ATM machine, and then headed on to Global Village, which we're actually going to do again today. After we eat our food, we're going to head to Global Village again. I haven't been in a year. So Quranic Park, this is my year anniversary, I guess, of coming here. And also Global Village. I haven't been in Global Village for a year. Of course, it closes. It's seasonal anyway. All right, so let's see. Get out of here. Go, go, go. Hard-headed. I don't know. Come on. Where's your sister? Quickly, quickly, quickly. You see them trying to go past. La ilaha illallah, la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Yalla. Okay. Sweet. Come on. You gotta pay attention, please. Alright? Pay attention. Yalla, come on. I'll go this way. Mr. Brisket. I wonder what this. They have the kadama, the maid. No. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.